Greetings to everyone. Welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about waste management. So in that we are going to study about municipal solid waste management. So there are different types of waste, right? Like solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste, business waste, then biomedical waste, bulky waste, etc. Okay, all these are classified in different types of waste. Coming to solid waste, so it is defined as non-liquid, non-soluble materials ranging from municipal garbage to industrial waste that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substances. Okay. So solid waste includes garbage, rubbish, demolished products, sewage treatment residue, dead animals, then manure and other discarded materials. Okay. So sources from agriculture, fisheries, households, commerce and industries. Okay. Then types, you know already, that is household, industrial waste and then biomedical waste. So biomedical waste will discuss later on after this municipal solid waste management. Okay. Then municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction and demolition debris, then sanitation residue, and then waste from the streets. So actually, people are increasing more and more, and we know that with rising urbanization, changing lifestyle and food habits, the amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly, and its composition is going on changing. Right. So how can we characterize this? Okay. So we have this about 38.1% is from the paper and paperboard. So nowadays that's why we are going on digital, right? Okay. Then 13.4% is from the yard waste. Then 7.7% from the metals, 9.4% from the plastics. So you can see 10.4% from the food waste, 5.9 from the glass, and 5.2 from the wood, and 9.9 from the other. So main portion is from the papers and the paper goods. Then coming to hazardous waste, industrial and hospital waste is considered hazardous as they may contain toxic substances. So we'll discuss this in our next class about e-waste, right? Then effects of solid waste, that is health hazards. If a solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create unsanitary conditions. So this may lead to epidemic outbreaks. So epidemics, you know already what is meant by that. There is many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, plague, jaundice, or gastrointestinal diseases may spread and cause loss of human lives. So, in addition to this, we have improper handling of solid waste, a health hazard for the workers who come in direct contact with the waste. Then environmental impact is there, that is if solid wastes are not treated properly, decomposed and putrefaction will take place. Then the organic waste manage solid waste during decomposition will generate obnoxious odor, like intolerable odor. Then how to waste management concept. That is again 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Then reduce the disposable goods. That is paper plates, paper balls, styrofoam cups, plastic spoons, roll of paper towels, paper napkins. Right? Then durable goods, ceramic waste, metal spoons, then glass or plastic drinking cups, right? Dish towels, cloth napkins, etc. Then recovery of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. So you can see how much is it, right? So recovery of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. So we have to keep it in our mind. Next, reuse. Instead of buying new containers from the market, use the ones that are in the house. Don't throw away the soft drink cans or bottles. Cover them with homemade paper or paint on them and use them as pencil stands for small uses. That is, what is that? Waste. That is, we have to use it in the artistic form. Right? Then recycle. Use shopping bags made of cloth or jute, which can be used over and over. So government is taking many initiatives, but the individuals are not at all following it, right? So if they impose on it, that is, if they say that it is banned, or if you use it, we'll fine it, then only we'll stop using it. Right? So coming to the waste management. So first it is disposal, then energy recovery, recycling, reducing, minimization, and then prevention. So this is the most favored option when we go from down to the above. Then storage, we can see galvanized bin, right? So storage, collection, transport, handling, recycle, disposal, monitoring of waste materials, right? So you can see here galvanized steel dust bin, paper sack, public bins, right? So collection, so we have to collect from the household, house to house collection, from the public bins, right? All those, the government is doing it, but the thing is, even as an individual, we have to do something for the good for better for the country. Right? Then method of disposal, that is dumping, control tipping or sanitary landfill, then incineration, composting, manure pits, then burial. So all this public hygiene and all that should be maintained. Yeah, this is the dumping part, right? So low-lying areas mainly for dry refuses. Kolkata disposes by this method, okay, and reclaimed land given for cultivation. Then unsanitary method exposed to flies, rodents, nuisance, dispersed by wind, pollution of surface water. Then control tipping, sanitary landfill, that is satisfactory method, and the non-satisfactory method. Then we use these three methods, that is trench, ramp, and area method. So all these are done, but the thing is landfills. Then you can see this sinkhole, right? See how much big sinkhole is made here. Incineration and composting, right? So mechanical methods, manure pits, burial technology, zero waste system, right? So we can achieve it, right? So nicer gets to more waste treatment plants. So we have to treat them, right? Wastewater also. So is Bangalore Mahanagar Palika. So you can see here from October 1st onwards, we will collect only wet and sanitary waste only. Dry waste will be collected weekly. So they have been given instructions. Then we have many policies, that is the Environmental Protection Act, Hazardous Waste Rule, Biodegradable Waste Rule, then Municipal Solid Waste Rule 2000, then Waste Management Act 1996, Solid Waste Policy. Right? So all these are done to reduce the what? Biomedical study, Municipal Solid Waste Management. Thank you.